What can happen when a beam of light is incident on the surface of any object? When a light beam is incident on the surface of any object, a part of the light can be reflected by the object, a part of the light can be transmitted, that is, it may pass through the object and get out from the other side, and a part of light can also be absorbed by the other object. The amount of light reflected, absorbed, or transmitted depends on the material that the object is made up of. If an object is opaque, then it will absorb or reflect most of the light back. If it is transparent, more light will be transmitted. Can you think of examples of these two? The surface of a mirror is shining and opaque, and most of the light rays are reflected from it. On the other hand, glass is an example of a transparent object. It will transmit most of the light. So, what is refraction of light? Here's how we define it in simple words. Simply bending of light when it travels from one medium to another. Yes, if it is incident at this angle, then it goes through at another angle. What happens due to refraction of light? Now, let us watch some demonstration videos.
Nice fish tank, isn't it?
But it looks shallow.
It must be more than 3 feet deep.
No! It may be only half foot.
No more argument. Let us check it.
Come, let's measure
You
and see.
can make it near.
Yeah, man. It appears shallow, but it's more than 3 foot. How?
Yes, it appears to be shallow, but it is not
Why?
because of light refraction.
Here we can see the arrow is pointed towards right, but through the bottle of water we see the arrow is towards left. It is because of the refraction of light. Why this happens? In the experiment, light travels from the air through the glass to the water to the back of the glass and then back through the air before hitting the arrow. Any time that light passes from one material into another, it bends or refracts.
Hi dear, do you know about the refraction of light?
I know, I read somewhere, I know a little bit about the professor explained in the class, but I don't know fully. So let us demonstrate the refraction of light with a pencil and glass of water.
Here, now the pencil is straight. When I keep it straight, you find no changes or any bending. When I when I change the position of this pencil, you can see a little pencil is bending, and the more you bend, the object also is bending.
Here, the pencil appears bent at the water surface because the light refracts at the air-water interface and bends away from the normal. This makes the observer in the air feel that the pencil is bent inside water as shown in this video.